First, go to the Settings and click on System from left sidebar. Now click Sound. In Sound Settings, scroll down to the Input section. Here, make sure you're selecting the correct microphone from the Input Device dropdown. If you don't see your mic in the list, do this. Unplug the microphone from your PC, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. If it's a USB mic, try a different USB port. If it's a headset mic, make sure it's fully plugged in. Back in the same Input section, make sure the input volume is turned up. Now scroll down a bit and click the Troubleshoot option for input devices. Your computer will try to detect the problem automatically and fix it. Next, click More Sound Settings. A new window will open. At the top, click the Recording tab. You should see your microphone listed here. Your microphone may be disabled, so right-click your microphone and choose Set as Enable. After that, right-click it again and click Properties. Make sure the device is enabled and also check the Levels tab to confirm the microphone volume isn't too low or muted. If your mic still isn't working after this, try swapping the cable if possible and plug the mic into another port again. And that's it. These steps fix the microphone issue for most PC users. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and also press the bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.